Hello health seekers, journey with us today through a world of flavor where delicious meets nutritious. First stop, almonds. Packed with proteins and healthy fats, they're a perfect snack. Try them roasted with a sprinkle of sea salt. Next up is Greek yogurt, a protein powerhouse. Mix it with a drizzle of honey and some fresh fruits. Craving for a crunch? Carrot sticks with hummus are your go-to snack. Berries, filled with antioxidants and vitamins, make a delightful snack. Toss them into a fruit salad. Sliced cucumber, low in calories, high in hydration is next. Enjoy it with a dash of chili powder and lime. Oatmeal, rich in fiber, is a satisfying snack. Top it with fruits and nuts. Hard-boiled eggs, a protein-rich snack, can be enjoyed with a sprinkle of black pepper. Avocado toast, a treasure of healthy fats, is our 8th snack. Top it with cherry tomatoes and a drizzle of olive oil. Snack 9 is edamame, protein-packed and perfect for weight loss. Sprinkle it with sea salt. Last but not least, dark chocolate. Enjoy it in moderation for a guilt-free dessert. Remember, these 10 snacks are not just tasty, they're your allies in your weight loss journey. Here's to a healthier, more flavorful life. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more healthful insights. Cheers!